Hi guys, this is Sylvie Busy Art. This is the design for today, and it's called A Dance for King Herod, and this is how we make it. So I'll put that one down there for Jiffy, and this is the bit that I've coloured and cut out. It's on 160 gram card, so it's a bit thicker. Now I'll fold this over. This is if you just push it on the dots or the dashes and then fold it in between like that, and then double the fold like that, so it's nice and flexible. Then I've got the dancer. Now there's a dot here and a dot here, so I'll fold that part there. There and there, and then I can fold in between like that. And then I've got where the double side, I've put double-sided sticky tape here, and then I've folded on these bits at the bottom, the flaps. Now these will be stuck downwards to hide them. So this one I'll stick on this line, which is on here. So I'll take this one off and then push that under. That will go to stick just to hide that line there, like that. And then fold that over, fold this over and take the double-sided sticky tape off like that, and then I can fold it over to stick it down nicely, and then ta-da! Well, I hope you enjoy making that. Nice colours. God bless. See you next time.